They're popular, cheap Chinese soldering tweezers. They could be quite useful for SMD work, and I wanted to show a pinout. There is a 7-pin plug. That's how it looks like. So there is 7 pins. There are 2 heating elements and 2 thermocouples for temperature measurement for number 1 and number 2 handle of the tweezer. Let's start with the ground, which is pin 3. That's basically the earth. Then we have heating elements that are between pins 1 and 7 and 2 and 7. So there is a common wire between 2 elements, and then you can control the heating by connecting the current to 1 or 2. Both elements have 2.5 ohms resistance, at least that's what these have. So in theory you could connect current only between 1 and 2, and then 2 heaters will be activated, but it's going to obviously lower the current, as the heaters will be in series. What it's meant to be to happen is to control heaters independently, so you can control 1 and 2 handles by applying current to the 2 and 1 with a 7 connected to the common output. So that's the heaters circuit, and then thermocouples are also connected in series, but obviously they are not going to work like that. So you never are able to measure temperature simultaneously at both handles. You need to measure one or the other. So basically what is happening here is thermocouple in handle 1. So the thermocouple in handle where the heater is connected to the pin number 1 is connected between pins 6 and 4, 6 being positive, 4 is negative. And thermocouple in handle 2, where the pin number 2 is activating the heating element, is connected between pins 5 and 4, 5 being positive. So if anybody wants to build a controller, they need to alternate between reading temperature from thermocouple 6, from pins 6 and 4 and 5 and 4. That's basically what it is. They're meant. These are supposed to work off 24 volts. They're probably going to work off 24 volts quite well. This pinout is looking at the tweezers plug, sort of like facing towards it. So it's like that, and that's essentially what it is.